Yan, hello ka-dreamers! So today is January 7. May pasok na si Kaden. Pero pupunta muna kami Saan tayo pupunta?
Papalamig.
Magpapalamig! Ayun. O yan, naubo ka. Ay, hindi ka na pwede. Inubo ka na. Ay, ano mo lang kami. Hatid mo kami ni Ella. So, tapos na yung work ko. Hanggang 8 to 1 lang ako today. Ayan. Bukas, closing tayo.
Dito lang kami naghantayo.
Oh, dito na yung hantayan dito.
Tapos dito na rin yata ang babaan.
Oh, at least. Anong oras bababa si KK?
Quarter?
Okay, 3:50.
Hindi, quarter ang alis sa school.
Tapos 5 minutes yung bus?
7 minutes yata dahil
okay.
3:52 mga ganun. Pero kung minsan dadating 3:55 nandyan na.
Pero 3:51 dati, no?
52 ang nakalagay sa schedule. Pero depende kung minsan maaga mga sila.
Minsan maaga kaya yun. So tambay muna tayo sa Gongcha din.
Parang parang naka-advance yung nila yung oras nila. Kaya
tsaka yung driver nila ngayon mabilis mag-drive yata. For very early, no?
8:20 ang nakalagay, 8:18 na. Pagkadating dyan, alis na agad.
Ayan, naisipan lang namin ngayon na mag-chill-chill. Wow, kahit ang lamig. Wala lang.
No ice na yung atin.
Anong no ice? Pati kay Ella. Alam mo na, para hindi na makipaghati si Ella.
Wala
yung loyalty card natin dito. Hanapin ko pa.
Sige.
Kasi may loyalty card kami dito sa Gongcha. Saan ba banda? Ang dami kasing gamit. Maglilinis na lang tayo pag Ay, hindi. McDo yan eh. Mamaya na nga lang. Baka naisabit lang. So, ayun. Hindi siya sobrang lamig ngayon. Oh, ano kaya to, Daryl? Ngayon lang ulit ako napunta dito.
Baka yan eh. May bubong.
Hindi na siya gasolinahan.
Hindi na.
Oh, yun. Dating nagsarang gasolinahan.
Shell yata yun dyan.
So kahapon guys, yun yung start ng pasok ng mga bata from bakasyon ng holidays, December. Tingnan natin kung anong ginawa nila Kaden sa school mamaya. Very excited eh. Yung January 9 eh, sabi niya. Makukuha ko na yung cellphone ko. Sabi niya, January 9. Sabi ba naman niya? Here, Gongcha, Ella. You want to drink Gongcha? Ay, sus! Ayan, Gongcha bubble tea. Dito tayo ngayon. Uy, parang gusto ko to. Matcha. You say hi. Are you excited? Yes? Hi.
Hi.
You say hi, ka-dreamers.
Hi, Dreamers.
How are you today?
How are you today?
Don't put your mouth, it's dirty. So did you drop your kuya kanina?
No.
No? What did you do?
You were crying, walking home.
Oh, gusto niya sumakay ulit.
Ay, lang muli sa kuya niya.
Yay.
Wow.
Hi.
You want to try? Oh, you shake it first.
Okay.
Excited si Daryl lang saya. Parang bata. Pwede marunong mag-compute. Nakalibre na kami ng isa. Di ba?
I want to try it.
No, that's not for you. That's for kuya.
No.
Just kidding. What, Ella? It's yummy? Hindi niya rin yan maubos.
Alin?
Yum.
A few moments later.
Ella, did you enjoy?
Yes.
So, is it yummy?
Yes.
What did you drink?
Pie.
What? Gongcha.
Tata.
Okay. Kuya, wala si kuya eh. Pauwi pa lang nang galing ng school. Ayun lang guys. So, yes, tingnan natin. Tanong natin mamaya si Kaden kung kumusta ang first day of school. Si Daryl naman papasok na. So, hintayin mo na lang si Kaden, no? Oh. Siyempre, hindi na kami mag-ano ni Ella. Siyempre.
One eternity later.
Put your gloves.
Hello,
Ay,
Kaden.
nakalimutan ko.
Ano? How are you? What did you do at school?
Oh, I told you don't put it there. Put it in your backpack. Okay?
Why?
What did you do at school, anak?
I play.
You just play? O, si daddy pupunta na ng work. Bye!
Kitten, where's your water bottle? Okay. I thought it's lost again.
Kakabahan na naman yung daddy mo.
Ayan guys, pauwi na tayo. Hindi masyadong malamig yan. Minus 11 lang. Feels 15 yata. Mga customer po kami. Yan, puro mga umiinom lang. Na ako. Papainit pa ako na sasakyan. Kahit mga 10 minutes para tumagal-tagal lang sa sasakyan. Okay.
Joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great grandmother's smile. We came a long way, but we ain't slowing down. We got a strong pace. No, we ain't losing ground. We won't give up and we won't turn around. Look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, I'll keep running until I discover it. I know I've got I know I've got can't be wasting my time. You may make friends all along the way, to break bread on another day. Always there to give you advice, help you find the wrong from the right. Even when you're not in their sight, you'll be alright. Just look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, just keep running until you discover it. Yeah, you'll be amazed at how far we can go. So what are we waiting for? I know I got I know I got can't be wasting my time. City nights have a way of waking up, starting minds, no one ever get enough. But we'll try everything to get it right. We'll get it right. Look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, I'll keep running until I discover it.